welcome back to Bona's Kitchen, and today we will make butterscotch bars. Let's get baking! We will need 2 cups of plain flour, 1 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of chopped cashew nuts, 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of glucose, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the complete list of ingredients, check out the description below. To start, preheat your oven to 165 degrees Celsius. Add the baking powder and baking soda into the flour and whisk them together. In another bowl, add the brown sugar and the melted butter, and using a hand mixer on a medium setting, cream them together. You can also use manual hand whisk. Add the glucose and continue mixing. Then occasionally scrape the sides of the bowl. Then add the egg one at a time and continue beating. Then add in the vanilla extract. Continue mixing until they are well combined. Add the flour mixture into the wet ingredients and mix them together until well incorporated. Now, add the chopped cashew nuts and fold it into the mixture using a spatula. Now, pour the mixture into a 9 by 13 inches baking pan lined with parchment paper. Then, smooth it evenly using a palette knife or a spatula. Bake this in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And here's our finished product! These butterscotch bars are chewy and moist and very easy to make. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!